Hello, welcome back to my channel. So guys, do you like what you're seeing? In today's video, I want to show you how I smoke my catfish in the oven, okay? So please, if this is your first time in this channel, please subscribe, comment, like, and share. I also want to show you how to wash catfish before you smoke it. So let's dive into the video. So now I'll be using salt and lemon to clean the fish. Now add some salt to the catfish. Squeeze in the lemon. You can also use lime as well, okay? So this salt, will cut the slimness of the fish, and the lemon will also cut down the smell of the fish. Now I will run tap water over it. Can you see the slimness, is removing bit by bit. Now I will leave it inside the water for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I will go ahead and scrub it with the lemon, and I will make sure I clean every part of the fish. Now I will use knife to scrape the skin of the catfish very well until it's nicely clean, okay? Alright, now I will use kitchen scissors to remove the whisker and the fins. Now I will rinse the fish with warm water. I will go ahead to cut the fish and remove the internal organs, and I will be doing that off the camera, okay? Now I have cut the fish nicely and cleaned them. So now I will go ahead to marinate the fish. First, I'll apply salt, soya spice, and I'll also use marinade sauce. Mix them very well. Make sure the fish absorbs all the ingredients. Now I will allow it to sit for 30 minutes for the fish to marinate. Now after 30 minutes, I will go ahead to put it in the oven. But first, use oil, apply oil, vegetable oil on the rack so that it will not stick on the rack before you put it in the oven. You guys, as you can see, the fish is ready. Wow, let me know what you think about this fish in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. God bless you. Until I see you again in my next video, please, if you have not subscribed to our channel and you like what we are doing, please do subscribe, comment, like and share. Thank you and God bless you all. Bye bye.